Okay, so now we are working on advanced web development or sorry, website deployment. What is this? In this, the criteria will be maybe your server has as two website. Now your server has to deploy two websites, right? Okay. So the one website is on 10.1, right? So what you need? Do you have two IP address? No. So I need two IP address to be added to this system, right? So one is on 10.1 and one I will add 10.10, anyone which is free, right? So you have two IP address, means you can deploy two website. If you want to deploy three website, you will have three websites, three IP. So you need to add first two IP address. After adding the two IP address, then you have to come here in DNS and refresh the DNS, so that IP must be replicated to your DNS 10.1. See here, okay? So your server is based on two IP, right? Okay. Now I will come here to the IIS information, which is already we have installed it, right? And you have seen as per the last video what we have created just now. So the default website is block. So this website is running on what? 10.1. So let me run one another website, add website. What is the name? www dot, no, always it will be. Okay, let's come to DNS because we are missing something in DNS. We'll create, see, this zone is for IIST, right? Maybe I want to deploy something for PANES. So I have to right click here, new zone. You have to create a zone for PANES. Primary zone, okay, okay, this is okay. PANES.com. Because people don't know. People will come to IIST server for IIST. People will go to www.panes for PANES. They will not type. Okay. So you have to create the first credential here, panes.com, and this right click, host. Host will be Yaoundé DC1, right? What will be the IP address? 192.168.10.10. Okay, so you added a host here, right? Yaoundé DC1. Okay. Now reverse lookup is also created with that one. Okay, panes.com. This you need it. Then you come here. Now is work is completed. Then come here, right click, add website. Now you type here www.panes.com. Path, so I'll go with the second website which I have pasted here. Okay, with which connect as a, okay, test pass. Okay, and here which IP address, so which is associated with 10.10. What will be the server web name? www.panes.com, right? After this, okay, again you have to come to DNS because for creating alias, right? www. So I'll come here to forward lookup zone PANES. In PANES I'll create CNAME, conical name, www.panes.com, right? Then when the panes.com is associated with which one? panes.com Yaoundé DC this. Okay, okay, is okay. Now refresh it. After that you come here to this. I told you ref manage website, restart, and then browse and check first your own. So come and browse here. See this, these things are coming, add, close. So these things will come in server. But if you don't want this one, see, right? If you don't want that one, add on, only on server you will get this option, right? So what you have to do, you have to go to server manager. In server manager, you have to come to local server, and here you have to stop IE enhanced security. So off it. So when you off it, next time it will not ask. Okay. So this HR is deployed even if IST is also running. So www dot ist.com. See, both is running on my server. I'll come here. See, IST is running. I'll type here www dot panis.com. See. So whatever you want to deploy, before deploying you have to create a zone for him. Okay. And for adding the zone you need public IP address. So public IP address you have to add on the interface, and you know how to add it. It's not that if you want to deploy 10 websites, so you need 10 LAN card. No. In one LAN card you can apply multiple IP address. Okay. So this is the second process, how to deploy multiple websites on one server. Okay. Do you want to deploy more? Is okay. Let's try one more. Okay. Let's try add one more. So for one more we need one more website template. Okay. So let me download one website template. Now I downloaded one another template, website template. Let me copy it and I'll come to my server. In my server I have to paste it in my C drive, right? Okay, after pasting, let's start with the first process. What is the first process? You come here, first process you have to add the IP address. Advanced 192.168.10.20. It's not necessary that you use only same. You can use any pool, because maybe public IP address for one website is different, another website is different. Okay. 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 Then I will open my DNS, and in DNS what I am going to create? New zone. Next. Next. What will be the zone name? Okay, africa.com. Next. Right click, new host, and you have to add what is here. Use the, yes. So what will be the name here? I just added one and you forget. www. Yaoundé DC1, because this is associated where? See this. Let me show you the Panis one. This. I added this one, right? Same like this. What was here? Yaoundé DC1. Because this server is associated on what is the name of the local host. So the local host name is Yaoundé DC1. And what is the IP address? IP address is 192.168.10.20. done. Now if you'll come here to reverse lookup zone just to verify it must be there. Okay, and now if you come here to Africa, what you have to create, right click, CNAME, right? CNAME will be www.africa.com and it is associated with africa.com. Which IP address? This IP address. Okay, okay. DNS work is completed. Now I'll come where? I'll come to your this one, right? Web IIS web server, right? Then again I will come to site, right click, add website. Path, C drive, sports website which I added here. Which IP address? Okay, start from here. Connect as a, specify a user. Click OK. Test. Always test. It's not that you don't test. Always test. Okay, and then here, what IP address I have given? Why 20 is not coming? Maybe did I refresh the DNS? DNS must be refreshed and it must be replicated. Okay, if it is not coming, let's put like this. Name is same like this. Okay, click OK. And after this, if you came here, first you browse, manage website, restart first, refresh it, and then come again here and browse it. I think see why we are getting error, because in IIS, right, while deploying this web server, let me remove it. Maybe suppose I am going to deploy it, add website. See, I removed it from here, right? Okay. See, in application pool, it is still there. So if you remove any website, you go to application pool and then you remove from here as well. Okay. Now I am coming here again and then again I am trying to create add website. It must come here. If it is not coming here, then the problem. Okay. 192, 168, it must come here. Or if it is not coming, you restart or do something. 192.10.10.20. See, IP address is updated here, but I don't know why it's not accepting it. No, you can add multiple. It's not that you only add this one. Okay, but you have seen how to deploy it, right? If it will come. Okay, or let's restart. Let's see if can, after restarting it can update it. Let's see. Okay, so I restarted the server. So for safe side, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add another IP address with the different, let's see. or do this IP address is 10.20? Let's see. I think that's why that it was a problem. Yes. You know what was the problem? Yes, this computer IP is also 10.20. So I'm going to change it. That's why it was conflicting. Okay. So 10 dot, let's give 50, right? No problem. Let's come here. Now I think everything will be updated. Now just open the website. So I have already deleted it. We'll create new one, right? Right click, add website. Physical path, C drive, sports website. Okay, connect as. You wanted to select this one. I don't. This one. Ah, wait. Okay. Still now is not coming. Why is doing it? Okay, no problem. Let's come and add another IP address. IPv4 advanced 10.20. Let's make as a 10.21, right? 21 is not associated with anyone. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see, do this 21 is coming. 21 is coming, right? Okay. So for when the 21 is coming, so you have to change everything in DNS as well, right? So we have to come here to forward lookup zone africa.com. We have to delete this. We have to delete this. And in reverse lookup zone also, okay, it is there, no problem. So come to africa.com, right click, first host. So which host? Yaoundé DC1. This one is associated on 10.10.21, right? Okay. Add host. Yes. Done. Right click, cname, www. IP address is 192.168.10.21. Add host. Click OK. Done. Now everything is there. No problem. Right? Now if you have to, now you have to come here and now you can start. Twenty-one. Paste it. OK. Now once it is done, restart and then browse it. sometime before you deploy, you have to check your this browser, okay, this template. So open index.html. So I'm just checking whether the website was correct or not. Okay, website is okay. Website is okay. Okay, see, okay, www.africa.com, and see the website is there. Now you can play whatever. Yes, why this is not working? Okay, so this is the process of how you deploy multiple websites through one server. Okay. See, if sometimes if it will not work, what you have to do? You have to come here, right? Maybe it is asking to add the preferred DNS or something like that. 10.21. Okay, sometimes it's a DNS error. Okay. Here it is working. Africa.com. What we can write here? HTTP colon 192.168.10.21. Let's try with the IP. HTTP colon double slash. Do this is able to ping to that IP. It's pinging. Okay, so just part of DNS. Okay, when the DNS, because your website is deployed here, so if your DNS will updated, everything will be okay. Don't worry. Because see, other two websites are working. This will update the DNS and it will work. Let's try once again with this africa.com. www.africa.com. Okay, leave it. So you know the process how to add it. That's it. Okay. So we have, in this video we came to know how to deploy multiple websites on the server.